Good morning, YouTube. It's not completely dark yet. It just looks like it is. Hadn't had time to do my intro today because I've been going and running. But yeah, Derek acting kind of sus. But anyway, yeah, it's family barbecue day. Been busy. Let's get going. All right, I just got out of the shower and the whole family is here and the barbecue is barbecuing. Let's get out there. No, 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 no. Look at the plate on the table. No. It looks so good.
Anyway, so you're probably getting ready to take off, aren't you? Oh look, I'm on the phone, so you guys help it.
You can ask Lily too, she can sing.
Oh Lily, please come with me. Amy! Ready? 1, 2, 3.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Derek. Happy birthday to you.
Who's on drugs? My birthday was August 3rd.
And I've been in Ireland for 2 years on your birthday, so we did it today.
Two cakes to make up for it.
And two presents to make up for it. So there you go. You gotta blow out your candles now before they burn out.
You're prepared for next year.
Lord, let my mother-in-law remember my birthday next year.
Look what I discovered. I think I'm gonna become Spiderman. What kind of spider is that? Focus for the vlog. Look at that. Dude, I'm definitely gonna become Spider-Man if that thing bites me. No! He's gone. What you got? Oh, grab a Coke. What you got? You got a little ice cream. Yeah, you do. You got an ice cream. Yeah. Well, the party's mostly wound down. Time to do some Animal Crossing. Check the shops before they close. Well, guys, on that note, it was a crazy day. We were hanging out, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, sub, share, hit that bell. And as always, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Bye.